Hi everybody, I'm Brett Cyril, magician and entertainer, and welcome back for another quick tip to help you with your wedding planning. And today I want to talk about not stressing about if things are going to go wrong on your wedding day. One of the common stereotypes about any wedding day is, did anything go wrong? And the truth is that with any event, and this is something that every event planner understands, is that not everything will go exactly as to plan. It's not about if things go wrong, it's how you deal with those things if they do sort of go off plan, or if they don't go as to what you expect them to go. And as soon as you recognise that your day isn't going to go exactly to plan or exactly how you imagine everything, then it becomes a lot less stressful. And quite often when I go to events, the ones that aren't the best events are the ones where the event manager has tried to get everything precisely happening at certain times, and you can just see it's kind of a more stressful event, a more stressful day. So learning to understand that not everything will go to plan will just take a lot of the stress out of your situation. And if things don't go to plan, just see it as sort of shaping your day of those unexpected things which are a surprise when they do turn out slightly different to maybe what you expected. But generally things do run smoothly at weddings. There's lots of people around you that have got loads of experience these days, venue managers, and also everybody's got their mobile phones on them, so if there's something that any emergency calls that need to be done or something that needs to be covered, then it's really easy to deal with these days. But one of the things that you can do is that make sure you choose good suppliers. Make sure you have good suppliers which have got lots of experience in weddings and dealing with different situations, because they're the people around you that are going to support you. And also choose your best men and your bridesmaids in a way that they can support you, and they're the sort of people that understand you and know what you want. If they need to go and deal with something, they know what you think is important to you and they'll deal with it. And also for me, when people sort of say to me, does a trick ever go wrong, or does something ever go wrong, well, to be quite honest, I find that these days I don't have an awful lot that goes wrong, because first of all, my audience doesn't know where the finish point is going to be. So if I have to have an alternate finish, then I can go down that route just from using experience or audience management. And also I'm kind of experienced of different staff, and I've got enough skills to deal with things going in a different direction to what I expected, and I'll just simply go down that track. And the same for you guys. If there's something that's not happening as you expect it, then it's just a case of understanding that it's going to be slightly different to what you imagined, but the people around you, they won't know what you've imagined. So, you know, they're not going to notice if something goes slightly astray. And finally, if you want to take all the stress off you, it's really great practice to choose a professional wedding coordinator. So they will have chatted with you before the event, and they'll understand you, and they'll have all the tools and everything ready just to deal with any emergencies. So I hope that's helped you. Just a quick tip to help you sort of take the stress off your mind of what if things do go wrong. And to be quite honest, these days, as I said, most weddings, things run really smoothly, or, you know, we don't notice when things don't go exactly as to plan, because, as I said, things never do go to plan. It's just how you deal and respond to things not going to plan, or not how you imagine them. So thanks for watching. I hope that tip's helped. If it has, please give this video a click for me on the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe. And also up there I'll link to another video which might be of interest to you to help you with your wedding planning. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you very, very soon. Thank you very much, and goodbye.